My name is Jason Brubacher, CEO of B&W Fluid Dynamics. Born and raised in New Orleans, but I moved here straight out of college. I went to LSU. Been here ever since in the Houston area. Well, we've been in business now for about 12 years. All of us, the founders, came from different backgrounds in industrial services. And in that field, we saw that there was definitely a better way to do things. So we founded the company with the principle that we would have the best people and equipment and technology to take over in the pre-commissioning cleaning world. And we've been doing that now for 12 years with a great deal of success.
He's able to provide great leadership and make a lot of correct decisions for this company to thrive. So in that position, leadership is what's needed, and Jason certainly provides that.
What's unique and what was missing for me in other areas and other places that I've worked is I was not part of something special. And this is part, and you would be working for something that's very special, something that gives meaning to what you do and gives you drive to continuously improve and to be part of something that is very well respected and that is going somewhere. And I think that is one of the main drivers of why somebody would want to come to work for us.
Well, Jason, he's a unique individual because he's an engineer, but he's also very well-rounded. So he, has the human side and the technical side in balance.
His vision has resulted into what we do, and he's kept everything to where this is a very good place to work.
I'm a good cook. I thoroughly enjoy cooking. Well, I'm from southern Louisiana, New Orleans. I just cook the type of food that I grew up with, so Creole specifically type food. I usually end up being the person that has to cook for big events, and which is great. I enjoy doing that. When I'm not doing that, I'm spending most of my time with my kids. I have boy-girl twins and also a little girl, and they keep me very busy outside of the office.
So you need a steady hand at the controls of a corporation, and Jason's steady. He knows what our strategy is. He's a good leader, and he knows what the end game is.
Jason also brings with him that same level of expertise and value to the customer. There's so much work that Jason did in this industry in the early 90s, late 90s. And this is a small world. I mean, we work with a lot of the same people we've worked with over the years, and Jason nurtured a lot of those relationships and laid the foundation for what we do.
I think that everyone's opinion counts, and it's important that everyone is heard. If they have an idea of how to improve something, about how to tackle a problem in a better way, we've got to listen to that. And again, that was one of the reasons we decided to form this company, is that it needed to be a special place to work, where your input mattered. If you had a better way to do it, let us know, and we'll take that into consideration so that we can continuously improve. Whereas some people may be involved from our client's perspective in a handful of projects in their career, we do lifetimes of projects with our people with their experience. What that does for the customer is that they know that whether it's an oxygen system, an amine system, some sort of a power boiler arrangement, that we've done it and we've seen it and we've been successful with it, and our resume shows that we have. The founding principles of what we had, our vision to be the best at what we do and to continue to grow and adapt, that's just absolutely critical to our evolution. And that's what we've seen, and we've had quite a bit of experience doing that. And looking forward towards the future, we're going to continue to apply that, continue to adapt and be improve where necessary, to continuously improve, and continuing to pass on the knowledge to our employees and to train the new generation. The future is very bright right now. We have a lot happening. There's a lot happening in the world. Our services continue to expand, and it's really an exciting time to be in our industry, and I'm looking forward to what the future brings.